But there's a really big problem that is often missed in exponential algebra. When you take square root of both sides, if there is an x, like this is a very common problem. If there is an x squared equals something, you square root both sides, remember to add a plus and minus. We might be wondering why this is the case, although, for example, if we have square root of 9, that would equal 3 and would be plus and minus. The reason for this is because 9 is assumed to be positive. 9 is positive, so their square root is assumed to be positive. But when this occurs, when x squared equals 4 occurs, remember x is an undetermined value, so x can be anything. So in this case, x can be plus an integer or like a decimal, anything. So this means that x can be in this case plus and minus. So when you take both sides, or when you take the square root of both sides, you need to add the plus and minus because x can be plus and. And that's a really common mistake that people make during this unit because normally you would just take square root of both sides without considering plus and minus. Oh, another really important thing you should consider while solving logarithms is to always check the answers because of their domain restrictions. Sometimes it's impossible to take a log of a negative as a base or something like similar to that. So, yeah, so that's something to be aware of. That would be our answer as x or equal to x. So now let's move on to transformations. Although I do not think this is really substantial in understanding this unit, there is a partial amount of understanding required to help solve problems such as things on the test. So everything is much the same but what I want to how I like to remember this is transformations is y inside x up with if negative.